I want to start getting my components put on here. This is a heatsink that I'm going to use for the rectifier to turn the AC into DC, and it's way bigger than what I need, so I cut it in half on my bandsaw. I'm going to put some heat sink compound on the back, and that just thermally bonds it to the back. The way you wire this thing is, see the plus sign right there? It's telling you that this leg is positive. So I'm going to put a positive right there. And that means this leg is negative, even though it's not marked anywhere. And then this looks like a minus, but it's actually, I think it's a tilde. But that means AC. So you put one leg of the AC there and another leg of the AC here. Doesn't matter which is positive or negative on the AC. And so then when you wire it up, one leg of AC here, one leg of AC here, this is where your positive DC is going to come out and your negative DC right there. Alright, I'm going to screw this down right here. I'm going to put a wire tie on my power cable coming in. Cinch it down real tight. And that's just going to keep it from being able to be pulled back out. Okay, I want to just give you a really quick overview of how this is wired. I don't think anybody's really going to build one of these, or if they do, their components and situation will probably be different enough that my wiring scheme's not going to work, but I just wanted to kind of show you how it works. The power comes in right here and goes, it gets divided, but part of it goes through this hole up to the variac so that we can vary the voltage, and then it comes back out of there. Part of that runs to our outlet right here and just runs a straight AC varied current to a varied voltage to that outlet. Then we wanted some of that, we want to also be able to do varied DC voltage. So the AC voltage that comes here is then brought over here to a rectifier, which turns it into DC, and then that's fed to our terminals down here, which you really can't see, but they're out here, and that's our DC terminals right there. And then we've got a switch right here, which allows us to choose for these posts right here whether we get AC from here or DC off of our rectifier right here. Then this is of course our on-off switch right here, where the power just goes straight there, and that's the only place it goes before it gets switched out to the rest of it. There's an indicator light down here. This is the board that shows us our voltage on the front in a digital format. Now this right here is kind of a workaround. I had to have 5 volts to run this little panel that gives us our digital readout. And rather than build a circuit and all that, I just took, this is a phone charger that puts out 5 volts, and so I have just bolted it to the front, and I've just put a couple of clips on it to power it with AC, and then coming out of it right here gives me my 5 volts that I can run that board with. So just really quick and easy to get my 5 volts. So anyway, that's just a quick overview of the inside of this. Hopefully that satisfied your curiosity. Alright, so here's the first fit up. Alright, so here it is, finally completed. As you saw in the videos, this was a very long process, and had quite a few problems along the way. I don't know if y'all are like me or not, but I rarely do the same thing twice. So every time I do something, I wind up having a few problems along the way. And I hope you're encouraged from watching probably all my videos in that, you know, if I can do it, surely you can too, because I make lots of mistakes. You just have to persevere and keep on moving. If you made it this far and watched all these videos, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.